Another video, guys. What's up? So today we're gonna be playing this new snowstorm game. Like lately, I've been losing so many matches. Uh, I'm crashing out. It's not good for me, but it's alright. It's what y'all wanna see, bro. If y'all got any tips or like tricks or whatever, y'all could free man. Comment down below. And if y'all wanna see other games, like just recommend some other games. I'll try them out for y'all if that's what y'all wanna see. Alright, bro, let's get into it. Of course you're winning, Hog. Gay, gay, gay. One. Bro, what the heck? Boss Bandit? Who the heck? Bro, what the heck? Bro. Please, I even need this. Freeze! Freeze! Freeze him! Let's go. Wait, what? Why was he not moving? Why was he not moving? Why are you not moving? Why are they? Yo, guys, can y'all give me like? Can y'all help me? Cause I don't know why they're not moving. Please give me like a tip or a trick, my boys. Cause I do not know why they not moving, bro. Why are y'all not moving? The heck? This guy to the left ain't even moving. My gosh. Bro, what the heck? So what does that thing do? So now they're stuck. Whoa. But now they're stuck, bro. Nah. I bet. Screw the left side. Screw the right side, bro. We're going all in. Pause. We're going all in it. Muffle. Why'd the P.E.K.K.A just stop? Why is the P.E.K.K.A stop? Whoa. Why is the P.E.K.K.A stopping, bro? Where's the warmth ability? Go P.E.K.K.A! Man, screw the right side. P.E.K.K.A, please. P.E.K.K.A, please! Bro. I'm actually about to cry. Man. Damn it, bro. Does he freeze? He doesn't freeze? What's the ability for? Bro. I might just start doing trophies instead, bro. This is worse. This is worse than losing in damn trophies, bro, because I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to use? I don't know. Yes. Double damage. Yes. And then of course he drops the yellow guy. Damn. That could just absolutely no! Bro. If I lose, I'm gay. 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 I'm not gay because I'm not gonna lose. Look, watch this. I'm gonna do so much damage to his yeah, what I tell you, I'm not gay. I'm never gonna lose. Because all I do is win no matter what. Look. 67%, guys. Told you I ain't gonna lose. I'm ever gonna lose. I'm gay! I bet. What's up, guys? So, we lost. So, peace.